Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the Ulta Beauty Desert Skies 12-piece eyeshadow palette. This is going to be like a reddish kind of desert dirt tutorial. Or like kind of like a red sunset, like when it's the desert and the sun is going down and the sky turns a little red. That's what I'm kind of hoping for in this look today. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first shade I'm going to be taking is this brown one right here called Cedar. I think it is the perfect shade to start with, and I'm just going to be buffing it into my crease. Alright, I'm just going to put that brush back. The next brush we're going to use is this one that if you saw one of my last Slay Glam Bag unboxings, this was with it. So the next shade I'm going to take is Pueblo. It's this dark reddish shade up here. And we're just going to apply that where we applied the brown shade and a little bit above it. Just blend upwards until you get the desired result. And the next shade we're going to take is this one at the bottom. It's called Sierra. And we're just going to apply it to kind of blend out Pueblo. Pueblo. right, now we're going to take that precision blending brush again, and we are going to take Misa, which is this shade right here, mix it with some Boulder, tap it off, and we're going to apply that to the outer corner very lightly. So again, Misa, Boulder, Misa, Boulder. Into the outer corner. And then we're going to take our SL Miss Glam eyeshadow brush, the N15, and we're going to take Santa Fe, which is this like metallic color right here. Just tap into that, and we're going to apply it to the lid where we haven't placed any color. So just the inner corner to the middle of the lid is where we're applying that. And now we are going to take this brush right here. It is a SL Miss Glam Short Shader. And we're going to take some cedar and mix it with Pueblo. And we're going to put it on the lower lash line. And then we're just going to take that precision blending brush, get a little bit of Sierra, and blend it out. Next, we're going to take this eyeshadow packing brush, grab Tempeh, which is like a pink highlighting shade, and we're just going to apply it under on the brow bone. And I'm gonna go grab some mascara and some lipstick, and I will be right back to show you guys the finished look. Alright, so I have my mascara on, and this is the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit. from Wet n Wild, and it is in the shade Harbor a Crush. I actually really like how this look turned out. I kind of tried to match the lipstick color to the eye color, but in the tube versus on your skin, it's gonna look a little different. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Go ahead and drop down a like if you enjoyed it as well, or if you followed along. Go ahead and leave me a comment and click that subscribe button to see more videos like this. I will see you guys in the next video, and I love you so much. Bye!